Did you know you can force enable the dark mode on all websites using your Chrome and Edge? Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will see a small trick by which you can enable dark mode on all websites. It is quite easy, so make sure to follow all the steps. Let's get started with the Chrome first. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and then type in Chrome /flags. Once you hit the enter button, you will see something like this. Now on the search bar, type in Auto Dark Mode for web contents. Make sure to click on Enable and then you will see a relaunch button on the bottom right. Tap on it and this way your Chrome browser will be re-enabled or relaunched and the dark mode will be set up. Now let's do the same step for the Edge as well. Open Edge and type in Edge /flags. Search for the same mode, which is Auto Dark Mode for web contents, and then click on Restart. This way the web will be started and relaunched into the new Microsoft Edge page, and the dark mode has been enabled as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.